Hey guys, so today I'm going to be making a video about Shadow sleeping. Earlier he was snoring. I want to see if he snores again. Okay, now he's awake. Good night, Shadow. Go to sleep. Okay, now. Putting it really close to his face. Okay. Oh yeah, and I've got to tell you guys, he's wearing a cone of shame. He got an ear infection, and he has to wear a cone so he doesn't scratch it.
Foxtail in his ear.
Yeah, exactly. Exactly what J Money said.
6 foot 3.
Same thing. Okay, he's kind of snoring, but not. Yeah, so he was kind of snoring. So I just wanted to show you guys that he was snoring. He's so fat. Oh, he's snoring. Did you hear that? He was snoring. He was snoring. Okay, I'm gonna see if he snores again. Oh my gosh, he's snoring. Okay, bye guys. I just wanted to show that he was snoring. So bye.